When it comes to experiencing the epitome of opulent living, Estates of Richardson is the right place to be. Nestled conveniently off the George Bush Turnpike, Estates of Richardson welcomes you with a range of fully furnished 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments tailor-made for your college adventure. Each apartment features multi-level wardrobe racks, plush flooring, walk-in showers, smart home entry, elegant French doors leading to a patio, and well-equipped deluxe kitchens for your culinary adventures. The property boasts an impressive range of communal amenities, from a spacious, summer-ready swimming pool to 24-hour fitness centers, game courts, and a relaxing resident clubhouse to unwind after intense study sessions. And for those with furry companions, the pet-friendly community even offers a dog park where your 4-legged friend can embark on their own adventures. With the University of Texas just an 8-minute drive away and Richland College a mere 17-minute commute away, you can finally bid adieu to those frantic class time dashes. Moreover, you'll also find a delightful array of shops, pubs, and restaurants in close proximity, ranging from delicious Mexican fare at Dos Arroyos Comida Casera to convenient bites at Wendy's and Subway. Everything you need is right at your doorstep. So don't hesitate and secure your spot today at amberstudent.com.